Hi guys, my name is Nisha, and in this video I will talk about why is it important to make your resume on your own. Guys, I have been training B.Tech students for many years, and I have seen that whenever there is any recruitment, campus recruitment, so all the mass recruitment companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra or Infosys or any other company that comes in the campus for the recruitment, first they check your resume. So they can either ask you to send your resume before the actual when they arrive actually in the campus, they will ask you to send your resume through the mail, and then they will select it on the basis of your resume. They will actually make sure that whether you should be called for the interview or not. So it is very important that you make your resume on your own. What I have seen that most of the student, they like one student, he will download a template from Google, right, and then he will fill all his information honestly. Then 50 of his friends and his friends, they will copy exact his resume, and you won't believe, many a time it has happened that I have seen even the parent name same in more than 2 to 3 students, right? Once it happened that I believe thesis was there, and almost 50 students had made the same resume. Like most of their information was same, that they just changed their father's name, their mother name and all that information. So they say that they actually rejected all those 50 students whom they found that they did not make their resume on their own. Friends, it is very important to make your resume on your own, because they say, recruiters, they say that if an engineer or any other degree that you have, if you cannot write in a sheet of paper about yourself, then what else will you do? How can they know that you are a sensible and a responsible, you're going to be a sensible or responsible employee if you cannot write about yourself in that sheet of paper, right? So make sure that you do not copy your resume from anyone, and if you're a good friend, make sure that you do not show your resume to any friend of yours, because your resume has to be very unique, right? And how to make that resume unique, that I will help you. I will give you a layout how to make your resume. I will not give you a sample, but yes, I will tell you step by step how to make your resume unique, right? All that information, that obviously you have your information, you will fill in that, but I will tell you about all the headings that you need to fill in. For that, guys, you need to subscribe my channel, because in next video I am definitely going to upload about all the information that should be there in a resume. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hey there, if you really want to be happy and successful in life, do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon in order to receive all the notifications.